For the first 10 years, it was to save the planet, right? Like climate change. And then somebody figured out not everybody believes in that. That's not the right way to message the value of these, right? We're going to, maybe we'll talk about this on a future show, Chase, but I provided some data to some researchers up in University of Toronto around the EV cells, and they did research on the impact on air quality. And anyway, that'll be coming out in the next couple of weeks and stuff. But what they found was that it had, for those markets that have a high growth of EVs, it dramatically improved the air quality.
What? Breaking news.
And it's like, I've always wondered, why we don't talk about reducing air pollution, like things that you can actually visually see.
Well, and that's a great call out. Because I was going to say that the best thing about smog is it makes great sunsets. Otherwise, it is pretty horrible. I think that's inherently like the issue when people talk about global warming is like, sure, you can do all these research papers and I'll be the first, there's really good data for it. But visually, for someone to see it, it's such a hard concept.
Visual aids always help explain things better.